Hey guys, welcome to the video. Hope you are doing well. So in this video, we will talk about drip campaigns. So if you're doing bulk emails, bulk SMS, it's really important for you to understand what drip campaigns are in GoHighLevel and how they work in GoHighLevel workflows. So let's say you have a series of emails or series of SMS or maybe WhatsApp messages to send to a group of people, and you don't want to send all at once, obviously, because you don't want to get blacklisted by the mail servers or the SMS carriers. You want to stay compliant, you want to do it legally. So in order to do that, you need to understand this simple technique in GoHighLevel workflows. So let me just go to the workflows and let me show you real quick what I mean. So here's the deal. In this workflow, if I just want to, let's say, add an email to it, and then add the from name from email and then the subject line. So the subject line will be just let's say subject one, and then save it. So that's the first email I'm sending. That's the initial email from my sequence, and then I'll just wait for 1 day. So 1 day, if I just keep adding my emails like that, I'll just copy this and then just do email 2, and then wait 1 day more, and then email 3. So that's the kind of email sequence. Like when you create email sequence like that, you create a similar workflow, right? So once you do that, I would strongly recommend you to add drip from here. So if you add the drip on top of the email, what will happen is the workflow will work in batches. So you can determine the batch size in the GoHighLevel workflow action itself. So 100 means at once 100 people will be sent this message. So maybe if you're just getting started, you can start with 50. If you can, if you've been doing it for a while, then you can just go 100 or 200 or 250 or something like that. And drip interval means at the same time 50 emails will be sent. And if you do 30 minutes, every 30 minutes 50 emails will be sent. That's the drip. So if I just copy this and then copy this and then put it on top of email 2, it means the same thing really. So that's how you need to estimate. You can't really send lots of emails at once, lots of SMS at once. In order to stay legal, in order to stay compliant, you need to do it in drip mode. However, if you don't want to use it here, so you can just delete the actions from here, and then I'll just create this email sequence, basically create the workflow. And when I am adding a group of people to this workflow, what I need to do, for example, I'm just sending, I have 63 people in this account. I'm just basically adding them to the email sequence, right? So once I want to do that, all I need to do is just add them to the automation, and then that will add them to the workflow as well. So I just need to, here's the workflow I created, right? The email sequence that you just saw. So you can just put here add in drip mode. So what will happen is the workflow, the contacts will be added in drip mode. So it's not sending emails in drip mode, it's just adding the contacts in drip mode. That's how you can control the flow of, or the number of emails being sent to people every minute or every 30 minutes or every 1 hour. So if you ask me, I would strongly recommend doing it from the automations, not as a bulk action. So if you just go to workflow actions and then just basically in this email sequence, just add drips on top of the emails. So it's, you can control it that way easily. So I strongly recommend doing this. If you do this, then you don't have to worry about your emails getting blacklisted or things like that. So hopefully this made sense, and hopefully it was useful. I will see you in the next one.